Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm Silo Boy Taylor DJ. So sibuye nenye album review. Album entsha kunyaka usuyaphela ama-album asephuma almost every week, and album iphume on the same day album kaKabza. But namhlanje safocus ke album because bibhe ngamehla abovu la album kaJezzWorks la. uJezzWorks or uJezzWorks angazi because igama lakhe waqala lo uJezzWorks then walishintsha manje sekubhale uJezzWorks album. So igama album ibizwa Secrets to the World laphana. Sakhumbula ukuthi last year bakhiphe album benothukuthela laphana ekade ingacotsi phansi laphana athi shisa ikhothe laphana i-Most Wanted album yayilina unyaka wonke laphana inama hits ongodwa ke lo album nje uyilalela nje from ingoma oqala iziwophela ayikho ingoma endlulisekayo album emnandi kakhulu ke. So lo nyaka bekulindi mhlawumbe bazobuya nenye project ndawonye beshaya into ebeshaya because abayona igroup but bebeyijuwe last year, but this year uJezu ukuthi decide ukuya yedwa ukuzokhombisa abantu no actually lento ephume last year uyena kahlahla umuntu kade epheka laphana, but wenza ama features amaningi ofisa abantu abaningi nje from ama vocalist amapiano ama vocalist amanye nje akhona. So I think uprovile lana, and I think usibambile standard because bengisi mhlawumbe uzodropa because la album yaba last year ibisezingeni eliphezulu kakhulu. So nje zo highlight nje ingoma ezimbalwa engizwile laphana engithandile, azikho mbalwa ingoma engithandile ziningi, just ethi album inengoma ezimbalwa inengoma ezu-13 album, and yeah i-production yakhona ne-mastering yakhona ibophile ila ihlangene ngempela. So khona ingoma engithande kakhulu laphana ihamba lo mntwana lo udume ngengoma zamapiano kuthiwa uqiniso laphana. Yo I know there's one song abayenzile ibizwa ngesukuma laphana. Yeah, I think that is the best song ku-album laphana. Isigqi sayo nje melody kakhona, indlela nje athekwe ngayo nendlela approachwe ngayo nendlela emasterishwe ngayo lo ngoma le iclean. Ingoma lamajita le ifuna ngathi ungelalela nge-sound system abo e-right, ungelaleli laphana nge-speaker sama friend laphana se-bluetooth laphana, ngoba amanye ama-instrument awuzukwezwa laphana because as igama lakhe lisho ukuthi uJezzWorks there's somewhere ama-element e-jazz and start ama-instrument laphana. I think umjita nje when it comes to lento ye-3 step uyibambe ngqi. I think uyilento engangithi uthukuzini uzoba yona the time usafi 3 step because uyena umuntu oyipioneer 3 step, but I think uJezu unzima uza kakhulu. There's also another song ethi Dubane laphana, my instrument nakhona umlilo straight na ishisa bhi nayo lo ngoma leyo, enye ngoma naye ngithandile. There's also another song awenze namajita akhe ke lawa ke uthukuthela no GL CJ laphana ke lamajita lawanzima lawa. Lo ngoma leyo I think ibizwa impilo, moyilalela ngathi ingoma yasala kule album yandlule mhlawumbe berecorded on the same time because ihamba already kule rhythm ababehamba ngayo laphana. So enye ingoma nayo I think le ngoma izolenda abantu abaningi because abantu abaningi basafuna vele lento ababezwe laphana kwi-Most Wanted bayifuna nala. So lo ngoma leyo umlilo kakhulu. Khona enye ingoma nalo sisi lo kade asiqala ngama-hits lo sisi wasekalawa lo kuthiwa unokwazi ilashona inzima leyo ngoma leyo ngithandile nayo leyo ngoma kakhulu. Unokwazi omunye umuntu kufanele simnikeze ama-flowers somzansi ngoba since from about 2009 2010 isound yashintsha ngena amapiano, uhlezi ezoyithola ingoma ezomthatha imfake ebantwini, and uyayazi ifomula yenza ama-hitsong imnandi leyo ngoma. There's also another song emnandi enoShakina bafethu. uShakina she's one of my favorite artists asemzansi laphana, and indlela nje akaphole ngani indlela kangene ngale ngoma imnandi. The only issue I have with that song, I feel like leyo ngoma leyo ishort kakhulu because I think ila ku 3 minutes ke sazithi ingoma ze-house eningi zasemzansi zivamise ukuba 7 minutes, leyo ngathi basirobhile lapho. Mhlawumbe kwakhona iverse okumele beli-8 lapha, I feel like khona into eshort up, but ingoma imnandi kakhulu. There's also another song enonkosazana nedaughter ikude imnandi ke nayo leyo lapha ivoice enkosazana nedaughter vele ke nje imdoti la ifika khona nje ifike vele ilendi leyo ngoma ngithandile ke nayo lo. Yabona nje album ngithe mangibona iphuma, I think last time ngaba excited kanje nge-album ephuma this time ukhipha uDrake. So i-album esibili sengivela yangeza nge-excited mangilalela because of indlela e-approachwe ngayo no I know shawe album umjita. Ikhona enye ingoma futhi engithandile inoqiniso futhi nayo zu2 ingoma ezinomntwana angazi uqiniso noma uqiniso because thina eKZN sazi ukuthi oqiniso noqiniso into zale ku-Alex eGoli. So khona enye ingoma bayenzile laphana ibizwa emihle, yeah enye ingoma nayo emnandi leyo kakhulu. There's also another song engikhohlwa lana ihambisana no uThatho Heart inikhonzele leyo ngoma biphume as i-leading single already nje ku-YouTube ihlelele ko 4 million because kade yaphuma abantu abaningi bayithanda nayo leyo ngoma leyo. Enye ngoma nayo entswembu kakhulu nje, so bangathiwa mhlawumbe simrate or maybe before simrate. There's one song engizwe i-signature ka Prince KB ithini leyo ngoma leyo because ushaya yedwa leyo ngoma leyo isoka. So there's a song isoka laphana all over. There's one song I think Club Control in the sound ye Club Control or something, but ingoma Prince KB laphana. So akekho kuma-credit laphana. I'm not sure ukuthi mhlampe i-remake noma mhlampe umjida but uPrince Kaybee umuntu oyisupporta kakhulu i-genre le ye-Afro, so mhlampe babe nawo ama-talks laphana because leyo ngoma nje moyilalelayo zwala uPrince Kaybee nje all over leyo ngoma leyo. Ingoma nje emnandi kakhulu nayo leyo. So mhlawumbe angathiwa ngi-rate sithi inongoma eziwu-13, just to be fair ngoba ingoma zikhoningi, I think as uSpeaker Nawe singayinikeza u-8 out of 10, but nje once it's come to i-production ne-mastering yakhona, I think bengayinikeza u-10, just that I feel like ingoma ziyashoda, but we needed more song, mhlambe 15 or 16, like ingoma ziyashoda but ingoma hlangene kakhulu. Indlela nje ama-vocalist azwakala ngayo u-GL laphana o-CJL umjida uTswempu, introduction yakhona laphana yenza umjida wakhe laphana uThukuthela. So ngihappy ngalo side ukuthi ngilibona ukuthi okay amajida awabhifi because there's video sike sayenza uSpeaker Now before last ama-group asemzansi our last, so nalaba ngibabalele kulo group because ngingabonile ama-rumors ukuthi no, there's a rumors ukuthi ke uJesu Zopelo Thukuthela basplitile, but ngibe happy ukuthi ngizowuthukuthela introduction ukhombisa ukuthi no basazwana nomjida. It's just that umjida wenza into yakhe manje, ufuna ukhipha i-album yakhe nayo, and I think awinembile bafana, iyona le yabo le izosithatha isibeke festive season bafana. Kade ziloziphuma ingoma lezi zimnandi but kumele uzujwayele, yabona le ayi album angempela ke le mfuthu. Ayi so Speaker Nawe sayivuma, so ivala khona la video, sikhona ku-Twitter @Speaker Nawe, sikhona ku-Facebook Speaker Nawe, sikhona na ku-Instagram Speaker Nawe, sibe khona ku-TikTok Speaker Nawe show, kanti sikhona ku-Twitch @Speaker Nawe. Awe we out.